Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check running ads on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, look for and tap on the Pages option. This section allows you to manage and view the pages you have liked or created. In the Pages section, tap on Liked Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you have liked. Browse through your liked pages and tap on any page you are interested in. This will take you to the page's main profile. Once on the page's profile, scroll down until you find the Page Transparency section. This section provides information about the page, including its history and ad activity. Tap on See All near to the Page Transparency heading. This will open a detailed view of the page's transparency information. Scroll down in the transparency details and tap on Go to Ad Library. The Ad Library is a comprehensive resource where you can see all the ads currently running from that page. In the Ad Library, you can view all active ads being run by the page. You can filter the ads by different criteria, such as location, impressions, and date range to find specific ads you are interested in. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.